Namaste class, welcome again. Now here in this lecture we will see how we can use the Heron's formula in finding the area of quadrilateral. So if you see a quadrilateral, it is a four-sided figure like this, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now if I draw a diagonal, okay, whether I joined AC or I joined BD, I will get two triangles. Then area of triangle, okay, can be found out using Heron's formula provided I know the value of diagonal. So either it is given in your question or there will be some information by which you can find the length of this diagonal. So let us see how we use that using some examples. So let us solve few problems. So I will go through exercise 12.2. Now what I recommend that you should read all the text given in the book, okay, solve all the examples before you attempt exercise, and you must try to solve exercise by yourself once you understand all the examples, okay. So that will improve your thinking power, okay. So this is a best exercise, I will say, mental exercise. Read, okay, text yourself, go through the examples and try to solve the exercise, right? Now first problem is a park in the shape of quadrilateral ABCD has angle C 90 degree, AB equal to 9, BC equal to 12, CD equal to 5, AD equal to 8. How much area does it occupy? So I have a park with angle C 90 degree, BC is 12. So first I will draw BC. So BC 12, then I will draw, so first draw this BC. BC is 12, then this angle C is 90 degree. So this is B, this is C. Now CD, they must have given 5, CD is 5, AD is 8 and AB is 9. So this is 5, AB is 9, so let us say here the point A is, and this length AB, this length AB is 9 and this AD length, this AD length is 8, right? So AD is 8, AD is 8, CD is 5, AB is 9. Then these dimensions are in meter. If you have proper space in diagram, write the unit also, okay. Now I have to find area of this quadrilateral ABCD. So what we discussed that I will divide this into two triangles. Now if I join this AC, then there is no way to find the length of AC because scalene triangle and I cannot find length AC. But if I draw this BD, then I can find this length BD. How I can find? This triangle BCD is the right angle triangle as angle C is 90 degree. So using Pythagoras theorem, I can find the value of BD. So here I will do a construction, means you can write given, and in that given you can write in quadrilateral ABCD, AB is 9, BC, CD, DA, all length you mention, and then in construction you write draw BD, okay. Then in triangle BCD, angle C is 90 degree. Therefore, by using Pythagoras theorem, we have BD square is equals to BC square plus CD square. Now the value of BD square is equals to BC, the value of BC is 12, so this is 12 square, plus the value of CD is 5, so this is 5 square. 12 square is 144, 5 square is 25, so this becomes 169. So BD square is 169, therefore value of BD is square root of 169 and you get answer as 13. Okay, but I recommend that till square of 25 you should know all the squares and square roots. So BD is 13. So this length is now known to us, 13. Now I can find area of BCD and area of ABD. To find area of BCD, there is no need that I use Heron's formula as base and height is already there. So I will say that now area of triangle BCD is equals to half into base, which is BC, into height, which is CD. So this is half into 12 into 5 is equals to 6 into 5 is equals to 30. Now 30 meter square. And for triangle ABD, for triangle ABD, I will consider one length like AB. I will consider as small a, which is 9 meter. BD is small b, which is 13 meter. And AD as small c, which is 8 meter. Right? And here I will find semi-perimeter S. So S is A plus B plus C whole divided by 2. So this gives me answer as 9 plus 13 plus 8 whole divided by 2. So 13 plus 9 is 13 plus 7 is 20, 22, 22 plus 8 is 30, 30 divided by 2 is 15. So the value of S is 15. Therefore, by using Heron's formula, your area of triangle ABD will become root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C is equals to root of the value of S is 15, S minus A, so S is 15 minus A, so value of small a is 9, so 15 minus 9 into S minus B, 15 minus 13 and S minus C, 15 minus 8. So this gives me answer as 15. Now 15 minus 9 is 6, 15 minus 13 is 2 and 15 minus 8 is 7. So this is equals to, now 15 I can write as 3 into 5, 6 I can write as 2 into 3 and this is 2 into 7. So I have one pair for 3 and one pair for 2. So 3 into 2, 6 I will take out. Inside I have 7 5s are 35. So 6 root 35 meter square is the area of ABD. Now area of quadrilateral ABCD, this is equals to area of triangle BCD plus area of triangle ABD. This is 30, this is 6 root 35. So 30 plus 6 root 35 meter square. You can take 6 common, so 5 plus root 35 meter square is the required area of quadrilateral. So by this example, I hope you understood how we can find area of quadrilateral. Okay, what we have to do? We have to divide this quadrilateral into triangles, okay, for which we know the diagonal. Okay, now let us go through the next question. Find the area of quadrilateral ABCD in which AB3, BC4, CD4, DA5 and AC5. So let us draw ABCD and write all the dimensions. So here in next question I have ABCD. This is a rough diagram, okay, so don't worry about their actual lengths. The actual lengths you are going to write on the sides. So AB, here AB is 3, BC is 4, CD is 4. So AB, BC and CD, 3, 4, 4, 3, 4, 4. Then this AD is 5 and then AC is also 5. AD, DA and AC are 5. So this AC is also equal to 5. Now I have to find area of this ABCD quadrilateral. Area of this quadrilateral ABCD is area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ADC. So I will take two triangles. So I will say that using Heron's formula for triangle ABC, your value of S, so you can take this as S1 because two triangles are there. S1 is equals to 3 plus 4 plus 5 divided by 2. So 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 3, 12. 12 divided by 2 is 6. And for triangle ADC, here I take semi perimeter as S2 and this will be equal to 5 plus 5 plus 4 whole divided by 2. So 10 plus 4, 14, 14 divided by 2 is 7. So therefore by using Heron's formula, we have area of triangle ABC is equals to square root of, for ABC the value of S1 is 6, so I will write 6 into 6 minus one side is 3, 6 minus one side is 4, 6 minus one side is 5. So this will give me answer as this is equals to square root of 6 into 6 minus 3 is 3, 6 minus 4 is 2, 6 minus 5 is 1. 3 to the 6, so this 6 and 6 they are in pair, so my answer is 6. Area of triangle ABC is 6 meter square, means the dimension to meter or centimeter, it is centimeter, so 6 centimeter square. So better we should write dimension here, so this is 6 centimeter square. Similarly area of triangle ACD, so here on this side only I will try to find area of triangle ACD. So here so let us move to somewhat right. Fine. So for triangle area of triangle ACD area of triangle ACD will be equal to square root of, here the perimeter is 5, 5, 10 plus 4, 14, 7. So it is 7 into 7 minus 5 into 7 minus 5 into 7 minus 4. So this gives you answer as 7 into 7 minus 5 is 2, 7 minus 5 is 2, 7 minus 4 is 3. So this is 4th, I will take 2 out, 2 root 7 3s are 21. So area of triangle ACD is 2 root 21 centimeter square. So therefore area of quadrilateral ABCD is equals to area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ACD. So area of triangle ABC we have got 6 and here we have got 2 root 21. So 6 plus 2 root 21 centimeter square is the answer. You can write this as, you can take 2 common. So 3 plus root 21 centimeter square. Now here I don't recommend that you find the value of root 21. It is not asked. Okay. So you can put your answers in root. Now third question. Third question is, Radha made picture of an aeroplane with the colored paper as shown in figure. Find the total area of the paper used. So here you can see this diagram. We have divided this diagram in part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4 and part 5. Now part 4 and part 5, they are identical. Okay. So for part 4 and 5, if I calculate the area of part 5, I will get the area of part 4. For part 1, the base is 1 centimeter and two sides are equal 5 centimeter each. So this is an isosceles triangle. So part by part I will find area of each and every part and then I will add them all to get the total area. Yes, okay. So this third problem, what I suggest that you try to solve it, okay, first, and then check your solution with me in our next class. So in this class we will stop here. What we have understand in this lecture, that how to find area of quadrilateral using Heron's formula. Concept is simple. You have to divide your quadrilateral in two triangles. So we will divide our quadrilateral in two triangles of equal area and then we will get the not two equal areas, in two triangles. Then using Heron's formula we will find their areas and add them up, right? Okay. So thank you for watching this lecture. Meet you soon in the next class. Thank you.